In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Webtoon easily and fast. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll until you find the Webtoon right here, and when you find it, just click on Webtoon, click on force stop to stop the app from running, and after that click on data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, click on storage, it will start computing. After that click on clear data and click on delete. By the way, all these apps data will be deleted. This includes all file settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click on delete, go back to the home page and now restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.